Alright class, Mr. Kenny here. Today we're going to do a quick tutorial on creating a simple scene. And in this scene we're going to add a cube and a directional light, and we're also going to learn how to create a material for our cube to make it a little more colorful. So the first thing you need to do is set up a new scene in Unity. We've covered that in the previous tutorial, so go ahead and do that. And after that, what we're going to do is we're going to add a couple game objects to our scene. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up to Game Object, Create Other, and then Cube. Okay, so what I did here is I created a three-dimensional cube. Okay, but if I hit play in Unity, it looks kind of flat and lifeless. Okay, so what we're going to do is after you click play again, we're going to move this off to the side a little bit so we can kind of see its three dimension, and we're going to add some depth. So go up to Game Object, Create Other, and this time I'm going to choose Directional Light. So I'm going to add that. Okay, now it doesn't matter where the directional light is on your scene, but if you hit play, okay, what happens is that adds some depth, so now you have some lighting in your project. But that cube kind of looks flat and lifeless. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to go ahead and move, choose the main camera and move our camera off to the side a little bit, and you can see in the camera preview that you can see the side of that cube. So now when I hit play again, I see that that cube has some three-dimensional depth. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to create a material for that cube. So what you need to do is we're going to go down into Assets, right click, we're going to go to Create, and then we're going to click this material submenu. Okay, so this material has appeared in our assets in our project tab right here. So we're going to name this, and we're going to name this cube material, just like that, and then hit enter. Now you'll notice that something has come up in the inspector here. So what we're going to do is going to give this a main color. So click on this white space right here, and then you're going to see a color palette come up. You can click here in the slider and hold down to change the color. I'm going to go ahead and just choose a random color in this palette right here. I'm going to make it that, and you'll see that it's changed in the inspector. So now I can close this. Now I need to apply that material to the game object. So I'm going to apply it to my cube. So I'm going to hold, click, left click, and I'm going to drag right over there to that cube and let go. And now you see that my cube has been colored. So when I hit play, I see that my cube material has been applied, and I have some color to my scene. So class, this has been creating a simple scene. If you have any problems, let me know. I'm available for questions on my Facebook page. Thanks.